You? Who? Who? Two! What's cracking, baby? It's your boy, Mr. Smith. Back at y'all with another snapping ass vlog. And I was getting ready to about to roll up here and do the Popeyes versus Chick-fil-A chicken sandwich challenge. Look at this shit. The line, the road is right here. I just turned into Popeyes and the line is right here. Ain't no way. Ain't no way. Thing in reverse. About to slide. Turned it around. I turned it around. Y'all see Chick-fil-A right there. And the Popeyes is right there. I ain't fucking with neither one of y'all. Look at that line over there. Nah, we out. We'll do it another day.
One season is coming. Prepare yourself.
You?
Get a flu.
Damn, shut the fuck up. Two! It's your boy, Mr. Smith. Back at y'all with another snapping ass vlog. Round 2. Trying to get this Popeyes chicken sandwich. Let's see how this shit go. All these niggas done ate the sandwiches. That's the look on their face right now. Damn. They done fucked up, y'all. I done rolled through the drive-thru today after chance after chance after chance to get this chicken sandwich to see what y'all been screaming about. And I got it. I got it today. And it's been, man, I done been here 6 times, all sold out. I mean, since the craze has been going on. So here I am today. I got this chicken sandwich. Shit probably basic as fuck. I'm gonna let y'all know too. Shit probably tastes like Hardee's. So yeah, I'm gonna let y'all know in a minute. Lego. Thank you, thank you. Got that thing. Yeah. So, you know, pardon me, because I like my food hot. I can't eat no cold food. Shit, I have a hard time eating cereal. I like all my shit hot. You dig? Yeah, man. I kind of want to eat that shit right now, but I'm going to go into the crib, sit down, have a little mukbang. All right, we'll see. See y'all at the crib. YouTube! I'm at the crib with this Popeyes. Yeah! Let's see what it's talking about, man. The world been going crazy for this shit. I don't even like pickles like that either. This shit. It's a big ass piece of chicken, man. Popeye's spicy chicken. What everybody been going crazy on. The world been going crazy on it. So here we are. Let's see. Being honest, hold on, let me do one more. Where the spicy mayo is. It's alright. It ain't like all these mobs going around going crazy over it, but it's alright. When I go to Chick-fil-A, I usually get nuggets. So to compare it to that Chick-fil-A sandwich, I usually get nuggets and a yogurt and a superfood salad. So I don't know. It's cool. I mean, it's a good sandwich. I would get it again. It's not like it's bad, but you go to Popeyes, you want that chicken. You know what I'm saying? Usually you want that chicken and the red beans. You know what I'm saying? But for what it is, it's straight. Tell them about them Chick-fil-A strawberry shakes, though. Mm-hmm. 1 to 10. 7. You know what I'm saying? It's just a regular chicken sandwich with some spicy mayo on it. At me.